Want to block certain movies or TV shows for a specific Netflix profile on your Android phone? This is super useful if you want to restrict content for kids or control what happens on a particular profile. So, here's how you do it. First up, open your Netflix app. Now on the profile selection menu, you'll see an edit icon. Tap on it. This will give all your profiles a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil icon over the profile you want to block shows for. From here, tap on Viewing Restrictions. Now tap on Block Titles. Enter your Netflix main password if prompted. After that, tap on the search box. Type the name of the show you want to block. For example, let's type One Piece. Tap on One Piece from the search results. From now on, this show is completely blocked for this profile. You'll not find it even if you search for it. If you ever want to get it back, come back here and tap on the pencil icon next to blocked titles. Now tap the cross icon next to your show or movie, and the title will be back on your Netflix. That's it. That's how you block specific shows or movies for a Netflix profile on Android. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Netflix and Android tutorials. See you in the next one.